my place where I inspire and work. This is my home, and I want to introduce my two nephews, Aleix and David, but now they are much older, bueno, tall and bigger.
Okay.
And this is one of my preferates and favorites drawing I make in art and craft school. And this is Maria. She's the model, and it was 180 centimeters and natural, and I make with my finger, and I was brushing so much that I make I make you know what I mean?
Yes.
Una bombolla, a bubble, like a bubble here.
I know.
So many hard working a lot with Maria.
How many hours for this?
No, I was going to the art school every day in the afternoon. So it was day by day. I don't remember, but I need so many days.
Okay.
Yes.
Which year you did this?
What?
Which year?
What year? I'm talking about maybe 194, 1994, more or less.
Oh my gosh,
I was 24 years old or 22 years old, very young.
Oh my god, you are so beautiful now.
At work, it's, my studio. First of all, my introduction, my studio. Here is my studio. And this is my place where I inspire and work a lot. It's a little bit untidy, but it's my authentic studio. I have not touched many things for the audience. Just you see who I am and how I work. And for me, the terrace is perfect.
Okay, let's see.
In the terrace, I can make dry. Here in my terrace, I work a lot.
For give you inspiration.
I give it my inspiration, and here I apply. I prepare the wood frames. You know this. One moment. Process for the painting on silk painting, and with a wood frame, I tense the silk. And it's the first thing I have to do. And then what I do is I have many designs made for me, for my inspiration, and I put it down, and then silk is a little bit translucent, and I can make the drawing with gutta. My technique is with gutta. What is gutta? The gutta is this black border, is a thick line that when get dries is for separate the spaces, because the painting runs a lot on the silk, because it's like watercolors, and here I can protect each space. So this is the process, what the first one I have to do when I paint on silk.